Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Hajira and today I am going to talk about the heart. The heart is a self-adjusting suction and pressure pump, the parts of which works in unison to propel the blood to all parts of the body. The right side of the heart receives poorly oxygenated venous blood from the body through the superior vena cava and inferior vena cava and pumps it through the pulmonary trunk and arteries to the lung for oxygenation. The left side of the heart receives well oxygenated arterial blood from the lung through the pulmonary veins and pumps it into the aorta for distribution to the body. The heart has 4 chambers: the right and left atria and the right and left ventricles. The atria receives chambers that pump blood into the ventricles. The synchronized pumping action of the heart two atrioventricular pump, the right and left chambers, constitute the cardiac cycle. The cycle begins with the period of ventricular elongation and filling, which named as a diastole, and ends with the period of ventricular shortening and emptying, which named as a systolic. And then we have the heart sounds. The heart sounds are heard with the stethoscope. The first sound is a loop, as the blood is transferred from the atria into the ventricle. And the second sound is the dip, as the ventricle expels blood from the heart. The heart sounds are produced by a snapping shut of the one-way valves that normally keep blood from flowing backward during contraction. The walls of each chamber consist of the 3 layers from superficial to deep. The first is the endocardium, is a thin internal layer or lining membrane of the heart that also covers its valves. The second is the myocardium, a thick helical middle layer composed of cardiac muscle. And then we have the third layer, which is the epicardium, a thin external layer formed by the visceral layer of serous pericardium. The walls of the heart consist mostly of myocardium, especially in the ventricles. And then we have the apex of the heart. The apex of the heart is formed by the inferolateral part of the left ventricle, lies posteriorly to the left fifth intercostal space in adults, usually approximately 9 cm from the median line, remains motionless throughout the cardiac cycle, and apex is where the sound of the mitral valve closure is closure. It means the apex beat is here. Now let's talk about the base of the heart. The base of the heart forms posteriorly towards the bodies of the vertebrae T6 to T9 and is separated from by the pericardium, oblique precardial sinus, esophagus, and aorta, and extends superiorly to the bifurcation of pulmonary veins and inferiorly to the coronary sulcus. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for the next video.